So friends, today we learn about how to highlight area, hash, or whatever you call it, because sometimes we have a building, we want to highlight the separate areas in different colors to show different flats or different room. So we start it. So I take a multi-line. I have already opened a file here for you. So we can make with multi-line, polyline, sorry. We can draw a boundary around this flat. It's a 2-bedroom hall flat. So we just have to take care for the corners and everywhere. So with this one, the polyline, I have make the boundary around the flat. Now we select it. Now we go to hatch option, select the solid, and you can select any color which you like. And just we have to select this polyline area. So you can see this flat is came in one beautiful color, but you can see our furniture, doors, wall, everything is not shown over there. So just write dr in the dr, and then you can see different options. So apply back b. So you can see now this our hatch is gone back side, and our everything is visible. You can change the color by selecting it this hatching and choosing any color of your choice. So normally we will do it for all. I have done already for all the polyline for all the flats. So just I have to select it and put the hatching. Again you can change the color, and you will apply this dr and b for back. So you can see here now 2 flats are highlighted. So same way I will do for the others. In this one, what I will do, I will make separate hatches first for all the flats. Actually in this one I have done already this polyline, so just I have to select it, but for your case you have to do it. So now you can see the remaining 4 flats we have already done. So now we change the color, so to keep them separate from each other. So you can give different colors to different flats or different portions. So I am giving different colors in different areas. So you can see now I have different colors or different all the 6 flats. Now 4 of them we will select now dr, then back b. So you can see now it's very much prominent, and everything is very clear. It's very good. Now we will see in our printing section that how it will appear in the printout. So you can see a very beautiful layout is there. It's very good for presentation purpose actually for the owners. So keep in touch with us, stay tuned. Thanks for watching the video. Please subscribe our channel.